Today is a secret operation. We parked far away from Darius' house because we're about to sneak in, take his keys, and we're gonna fill up his car with hundreds of squishies.
No way. Where'd you guys even get that many squishies from, bro?
It was hard to find. They're selling out quick, but we got ahead of the game, and I kind of woke him up with these a few days ago, and he was not happy about it, but now Marcus and Luce were like, let's do it to a supercar. So the Lamborghini Revuelto is inside the garage. We have to find the keys first, guys, but I think this is a good first move here to park far away, just in case he wakes up and hears us. You can tell, you know, it's a little bit dark out because the sun is just coming up. It's around 7 a.m. right now. We got up really early for this, went to bed early, and we drank a lot of coffee, so great.
So yeah, this bag is full of squishies. The hard part is trying to get inside and find his keys.
Yeah.
This is what the kids are playing with nowadays.
Oh
squishies.
Yeah. Not just kids, adults too.
I've actually never touched one. And I have squishies, I'm lying.
Really? Actually? Which ones? Hey, let's trade.
I saw some gold ones before. There might be a couple gold ones in here, right?
We tried to pull the rainbow sugar bear, but it was almost impossible. Maybe next time. So, like and subscribe, guys, and let's go do this. Everyone's getting up, going to work early, but we're getting to prank early.
Let's get a prank going on.
Hopefully he didn't change his garage code, guys, because that's the only way in.
I see his Lambo in there.
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Did you get it? Oh,
Yes.
I got it.
We're in, guys. We're in. Gotta be really quiet. It's way too early for him, though, so he's a deep sleeper. I think we'll be all right.
There's the Lambo. It may already be unlocked, right?
He's painted his garage, trying to make it look like a bat cave. Maybe we should just paint his car instead, right? We got some paint there.
That would be crazy.
Yeah, he got a little makeover in here. I already put a squishy on his car.
Wait, did you even check if it's unlocked?
Yeah.
No, it's locked.
Okay. Let's find the key. Another thing. I think that just like ignited the alarm.
Oh, because I touched the door?
The theft, yeah. That's cool.
Yeah.
You can leave the squishies here, man.
Just leave it in the garage.
Yeah, just now we have to find the key. That's the most important part, or else we're not having a prank.
Wait, do you know where the keys are?
Usually keeps it on the second floor in the kitchen, but we have to look, man. Hopefully it's not in his bedroom, because if it is, we have to do another plan of attack.
Where's it at?
Gotta look everywhere.
Dude, why would it be in the microwave?
I don't know.
Anything?
Yeah. Do some of you guys want to go check upstairs? Make sure he's sleeping. Maybe it's somewhere there on his nightstand. One of us can stay down here, or two of us down here. I don't know.
Alright, yeah, you might have check. Yeah.
But we'll just keep checking down here. Let you guys know if we find anything. Marcus, check these doors.
Which one is this room? I don't know. I don't come up often.
Oh, that's one.
I'm turning the light. Oh, he's in here. He's sleeping. It's just a Mercedes, though. Sure. Yeah.
Check the nightstand in the drawer.
Hopefully they found it downstairs.
No, we found the other keys.
Oh, we found keys too. Oh, we just found the Mercedes keys. But,
Yeah, I mean, which ones? We used the same thing.
oh,
Oh,
yeah.
wait, yo, this is for the Mercedes. Yeah,
Yeah.
I found the Lambo key, so we're
Yeah.
good to go.
Let's open that. Let's go.
Is he sleeping pretty good?
Yeah, he kind of moved whenever Lucas opened the drawer and stuff.
Gotta be careful, man. I got it, guys.
We're gonna start filling it up.
Should open it. Perfect.
Dude, what is going on right now?
Bro, it could like stain the seats or ruin the car. Should I take that off?
You check if it actually messed it out. Just make sure it doesn't pop.
On the matte paint.
Dude,
Yeah,
that was like
sticky.
stuck on there almost.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
What's inside of that? Squeeze it? Oh my, dude, glitter all over his car. That would suck.
We just don't want it to pop.
Yeah, if it pops, we might have to like detail the car after.
See? Oh, there's so many in there.
They're stuck together. Do we put them with the containers, guys, or
Put some of it with it.
Yeah, so they give me like a surprise.
Yeah, that way he has to open them up. That sucks.
Start putting them in.
Okay, you guys arrange that. Lucas is gonna put them all over the car.
Maybe start handing them to me before he wakes up.
They're like an assembly line.
Can't find the top switches. Some of the tops are missing.
Just place it everywhere. Put it on his seat, his dash.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's annoying. It's an assembly line.
How we looking, Lucas? Is it? You think we're gonna have enough to fill up both seats?
I think so, yeah, we'll see. Just try to hurry up. Because he usually wakes up around this time to get a coffee.
Put it on the seats and like. How many do you have left? For a lot more?
A lot. There's a lot left.
Okay. Dude. Someone up on the dash.
Put some on the Lambo too.
Yeah, why not, right?
Yeah, I mean, might as well. But I think we should put it without, maybe without the containers on the Lambo. You know?
Like this?
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Dude, he's gonna wake up. Put it on the car. Hurry up. Hurry up.
It's a sensor, guys. It's a sensor. Make sure none of them goes in the engine, because if they get stuck in the engine, we're done. We're gonna have to get a new Lambo.
Hurry up. That actually might have woken him up. I probably put like an alarm on his phone.
I think after like a certain amount of time, if the garage is still open, it like gives you a warning. But I mean, it'll go to his phone if anything, you know. So hopefully that didn't wake him up. They're all rolling down the Lambo.
Hurry up, dude. There's so much more. Put it all in there. Put it on his seat everywhere.
Is there enough space to open the door?
Yeah. Put it on the other side.
That sucks.
They're happy, you know, smiley face. Come on now. I think they'd rather be out here on the Lambo than inside their little box, their little container.
Dude. We got more? Oh, we do have more.
Yeah, we do. It's hundreds, man. Are we disrespecting the Lambo right now? Yeah, right.
It's okay, I'm always down for a prank.
Maybe the Lambo is, you know, lonely. We need some friends.
We probably have to hurry up. What if he's coming down right now?
No. Oh, actually?
Dude, it's an oil stain, right?
It's fine. It's a squishy stain.
Alright, we gotta clean this up.
Close the doors. Do we leave them open?
Just leave them open, right?
You gotta get
Close them? Oh, close them, close them.
Hold on, guys. I'm getting a call. Darius calling me.
Oh, he's awake. He's awake.
Oh, I'm gonna answer. Hello?
Yo,
What's up, Dari?
yo, is that you guys in my garage?
No. Alright, hung up. I hung up.
Oh, you just hung
Hurry
up?
up. Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Oh, hurry up. Put that away.
Oh my gosh. Oh, they're coming down, guys. Let's see how he reacts, man. He's gonna be mad. I woke him up, you know? That alarm sensor just, that probably gave him like a notification. Ding.
Yeah.
It's alright though, it's worth it.
He probably saw it.
There's probably still a couple hundred in there, right?
Yeah. He probably saw us like putting the squishes in there on the camera.
I mean, he's always the one sleeping in. Like, we're always up early, you know, ready to go. So maybe he'll just change his sleeping schedule.
I think I hear him.
I hear him.
Yo, he has a stick.
He's there?
Yeah, he has a stick.
Yo! Yo, what the heck? Nah, bro. Nah. How's it looking? I mean, I just hear him. Is he shocked or what?
Yeah.
He is calling.
He's calling you.
Yeah, he is.
Don't pick up, don't pick up.
He knows it's us.
Yeah. He's a camera.
Yo, what are you guys doing?
What happened?
What are you guys doing, bro? It's way too early for this. Squishies?
Hey, it was
Dog?
Wake up, dog! Yo, chill, you're gonna wake up the neighbors.
Why are you sleeping in so late all the time, man?
What do you mean late? It's early.
Yo, they're back from Hawaii too. They already got used to it, but you're not used to it yet.
It was Cyrus's idea.
Nah, it's Twin's idea because I already did it to you in your bedroom, so now they said doing supercar.
Yo,
check.
you should probably check the car. One of them fell in the engine bay, so you have to go grab that out.
Oh.
We got some extra special edition ones too. You might want to open some boxes.
Sorry, you have warranty. You'll be alright.
Use the stick to get it out. Back there, somewhere.
No way.
I think.
Nah, y'all are lying, bro.
They give your car a little bit of personality, you know. They're all happy. You know, this is a very angry car, you know, and needs a little bit of happiness.
Dude, he's not even awake yet.
You stressed, Dari? Here, you want to squeeze him for stress?
No, I'm not. I just wasn't expecting this. Like, what? Squishies in the Lambo? You guys gonna help me clean this up or what? Hopefully this doesn't, I mean, my car's PPF, but yo, these are like, is this popped? Why is there glitter all over my hand?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Huh?
Yeah, that is kind of popped.
Sorry, Doc. About that.
Yo, what is this? Cyrus, are these popped? Lucas, Marcus.
I'm going back to sleep. Alright, see you guys. We gotta head out.
Sorry, the glitter is good. It looks limited edition.
What?
It's
Nah,
holographic now. It's
bro.
holographic. More
Yeah, a
valuable.
couple of them popped. They're
This
in the
popped.
seat.
You guys messed up the PPF.
You didn't even check the inside like that, bro. A few of them popped in there too.
Oh no. What about the inside?
See you, bro. We're gonna head out. We're gonna get some coffee. Alright?
Alright, well, sorry, you gonna help me, Christian, or what?
No, what? You're crazy, bro. I didn't even do any of it.
You filmed it all.
I know, but I didn't put any of them down. Look at this.
Oh, yo, even on the windshield? I'm not cleaning this up right now. I'm going back to sleep. I'm not cleaning that up right now. Forget that. Alright, get out of my garage, bro.
What? Morning. Deuces.
Sleep.
Yo, that sucks.
I'm surprised you even try to clean those. They just-
Yeah.
It's
quite
too
upset.
sleepy, yeah.
Alright. I mean, that was kind of fun, right?
That was a fun prank, yeah. Alright.
Let's get out of here. You guys better not put squishies in my F12.
So you guys go watch our last videos.